4 tips that could save your life. Let's go with some survival tricks that can save your life. Attend. 1. You can do the Heimlich maneuver yourself. You should place the fist of your hand stronger under the ribs and just above the navel. Place your other hand on your fist to push harder. Press your fist in and up the diaphragm area tightly and repeat until that piece of hamburger disappears from your throat. 2. The rule of 3. You can be 3 minutes without air, 3 hours without shelter in extreme climatic conditions, 3 days without water and 3 weeks without food. Beyond that, problems. 3. If something happens to you in the street, hunt someone to help you. Lady falls in the middle of the sidewalk. Madam, you cannot get up because your hip is probably missing. A crowd gathers around the lady. They all look and lament. Someone laughs. At 5 minutes, the lady is still on the floor writhing in pain. No one has been able to do anything, but everyone thinks they know what's wrong. If you want to avoid becoming this poor woman next time you fall down the street, we recommend that you hunt someone to help you. If you direct your pleas and requests for help to someone concrete, you will avoid the spectator effect that causes nobody to help because we all wait for the next one. 4. Antihistamines are your friends. You never know when you are going to discover that fish fills you like a balloon, or that dried fruit that looked so appetizing fills your face with a rash. That is why when traveling it is advisable to have several antihistamines. Just in case.